Am I actually living for this? Yes, I am. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Quel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we have a very special new type of video that I wanted to record. So for the longest time, I wanted to do my hair in the wet look. I just haven't had much success doing that before. I saw that NATURALNEICEY actually just recorded a video on how she does her wet look. Just gonna follow along and see what she did and see if we'll have similar results. I don't have all of the hair products that she used, but I have the very important hair product that she used, which is the Eco Styler Gel. And I told myself that I wasn't gonna buy any more hair products until I use all the products that I have. If you guys saw the picture that I uploaded to the community tab, you saw that I have so many different hair products. So I didn't wanna go out and get more, and I still have a closet full. So, and I swear I just hopped out of this shower about 10 minutes ago and my hair is almost like all the way dry. There's parts of my hair that has turned to frizz and almost dry, and I just got out the shower, which is so crazy. But anyways, I'll show pictures of the shampoo and the conditioner, actually the deep conditioner that I used in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and follow along, and the original video will be in the description box below. So if you guys would like to see this video, go ahead and stick around. Okay, so that is the conditioner. So I don't have that conditioner, of course. So I'm just gonna use my Suave. So I'm just gonna use the Suave Tropical Coconut Conditioner. This is one of my OG products. I've been using it for literally like 4 years. I love this product so much, and it's only like $1.50. Such a great deal.
And so while you're in the shower,
not exactly,
with the conditioner in your hair, just push your hair or brush your hair all the way back. And try to make sure that there are no tangles, because that's really going to help in this process.
Okay, so now I'm going to just section off my hair, starting from the back is what she said. So I hate detangling my hair with the Denman brush, but we follow directions.
This section right here, I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and detangled as well. That's like a major key to doing this style. You want to make sure that it's super detangled from root to tip.
She's getting some conditioner. So good. I haven't used this on my hair in so long. Forgot how much I love it. It gives great slip. So I don't have the Jane Carter Nourish and Shine. What I am going to use is my absolute favorite, the Shea Moisture Superfruit Multivitamin Frizz Taming Smoothie. This stuff is my absolute favorite smoothie that Shea Moisture has. I don't even know if they make this anymore. Hopefully they do. I found it at Ulta. My curls are always popping with this. So this is just what I'm gonna use. I know this might play a big role in whether or not my hair turns out the way it did for NATURALNEICEY, because that is a thicker product. It almost looks like shea butter is the one that NATURALNEICEY is wearing. So it's definitely gonna have really good sleek results, but we'll see. Maybe with this, it'll give me the same results.
And then I'm going to go in with the star of the show. This is the Eco Style Olive Oil and Shea Butter, Black Castor Oil, and Flaxseed Gel. So we are going to be using a lot of this gel. Like, we're going to go ham.
So I only used it once so far. So she used a lot. So she has a lot of body to her hair. And mine tends to be really flat because it's so long and my curls aren't as tight and voluminous. So again, this might just weigh down my hair, but that's kind of the look we're going for. So hopefully it'll be fine.
So I'm taking another big clump right here, and I'm just going to be kind of applying it to the roots, because you want the roots to really lay flat. So now I'm going to take my Denman brush right here, and I'm kind of just going to press down the roots. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next section. And then detangle. And this can get real messy, so you want to make sure that you're not doing it anywhere too important. I'm going to take some of the Nourish and Shine. First, back into the Eco Gel. Taking a lot of that. When it comes to this side right here, we're going to kind of work it backwards because all the hair is going to be going to the back.
Maybe this is where I was going wrong.
I'm going to take a little bit more
brushing
gel
it back.
And just start kind of brushing it back.
This stuff is so bomb. Oh my gosh.
Anyways, I'm going to speed this up a little bit because you guys pretty much get what I'm doing so far.
Same. Spray some water. We're going to do some conditioner. Next is the Smoothie. And then we're going to add a whole bunch of gel. Let's speed her up.
So I'm just going to kind of keep combing it back. Now, I'm not going all the way down because that's going to ruin my curls. So this is how it's looking so far. It's going to look better soon. So I'm going to actually do my edges.
And there we have it, folks. So I'm not going to add the other scarf just because Niecy, she has a ton of beautiful volume, and that's probably why she just needed to wrap her hair in a scarf and then with the additional wrap on it just to keep it so it'll be slicked down. I don't have that at all. My hair is just flat all the time, so I have to actually tease my hair in order to get a lot of volume. So I don't need to add the additional scarf. So here is my hair. I might just sop up a little bit of the water because it's literally soaking wet right now all the way down my back, but I'm just gonna let it air dry and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. You guys, here is the reveal. Am I actually living for this? Yes, I am. I did see that I was having a little bit of frizz, so I did take a little bit more of the gel and water and I put it in my hair and kind of scrunched it into the parts that were frizzy, and it fixed it right away. I love everything about the results. I think it turned out so nice. I'm glad I followed Niecy's tutorial. Hopefully I did her proud. Make sure that you check out her video too. It'll be linked again in the description box below so you guys can kind of check it out and see how well I did in comparison to her. But I love the results. It turned out so good. So make sure you guys check out Niecy's video as well. Let her know that I sent you over there, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.